how to get the repost button on TikTok. Hi guys, in this video I will tell you how you guys can get the repost button on TikTok. So simply open up TikTok on your phone, and then over here you have to basically see that if you guys are running the latest version of TikTok. So over here you guys can basically see that you guys have the TikTok interface. Simply go to the Google Play Store or the iOS App Store, and then from over there just try to see if you guys are running the latest version of your TikTok application. If you guys are running the latest version, well then you guys should see the TikTok repost button. If you guys still don't see it, simply click on the top right on these three lines. Simply click on settings and privacy, and then now from over here simply click on report a problem, and then after that from over here just simply click on submit a report at the bottom. Now once you click on submit a report, simply type in over here, I can't see the repost button, please help, because I want to repost videos. Once you guys click on that, click on submit, and then TikTok is gonna reach out to you, and then they will give you the access to the repost button. So guys, that is how easy it is for you guys to actually get the TikTok repost button on TikTok. Thank you so much for watching. Take care. Till next time. Goodbye.